In this video, I am going to show you how to make money in a simple way by promoting CPA marketing offers where you do not need to sell anything. I'll also show you how you can get paid as soon as possible, and I'm going to cover each and everything in a step-by-step process. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any information that I'm going to provide you in this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to sign up to a CPA network. You can join CPA group if you want, but my recommended CPA network would be CPA lead. Okay, because if you join CPA lead, then you can get paid as soon as possible. As you can see in my screen, daily payments, and I am going to show you how. But in case if you are not able to join CPA lead, then you can join CPA group and promote similar type of offer that I am going to show you in this video. However, most of the offer are available on CPA group that is suitable for the strategy that I am going to show you in this video, but it is absolutely fine to join CPA lead and promote their offers. So now once you come to CPA lead, then you will see a sign up button at here. You can just click on it and follow everything in a step-by-step process, and within 2 minutes you will be able to create your account on CPA lead, and then you can log into your CPA lead account, which will look like this. Once you see this kind of interface, then you can simply scroll below and just notice something that says fast pay, fast pay, fast pay. Now if you hover your mouse over here, then what it says, fast pay eligible, receive payment for these offers whenever you decide to cash out. Okay, so you can literally withdraw your money that you have made by promoting these offers whenever you want. As you can see, last fast pay payment was made 19 hours ago, and next fast pay payment will be sent in 7 hours 36 minutes and 29 seconds. So it means you can get paid every day. Okay, this fast pay offers payment. So that is why it is worth promoting, and I am going to show you how you can bring massive traffic to these kind of offers in order to make money in a simple way. This is going to be the simplest tutorial that you will ever see on YouTube on how to promote these kind of offers to make good amount of money. So for this tutorial, I will select this offer because you need to select the offer that gives something, okay, to the people who joins them. Now you can see it says type survey, but it is an email submit offer. Now in order to get your affiliate link for this offer, you can say it is fast pay. You can just click on it and you can read about this, the description of this offer. Free bet as money back offer, special instruction, allowed verticals, content side marketplace, mobile traffic. You can read these, okay, like pop-up, click under, adult traffic. So these kind of traffic sources are allowed to promote this offer. Now if you want to check out the link, check out the landing page of this offer, you can just click on this preview and you will be able to watch this landing page of the offer. But you can notice here the country you can promote this offer is for Brazil, and you will get paid 35 cents. Now you may think that this 35 cents is extremely low amount of money, but you can also get extremely cheap traffic from Brazil, okay, and you can easily make profitable campaign by promoting this offer in Brazil. And I'm going to cover each and everything in a step-by-step process, so you don't need to worry about anything and you don't need a huge budget for this. Okay, so just keep watching. Now but I am from a different country, not in Brazil. That's why when I do preview, then it will show me in English language and according to, and the landing page will be based on my own country or my neighboring country. Okay, so money back as a free bet if the last ball of the match is boundary. So these kind of things will attract people. Okay, so people, whenever people see this kind of interface, they just need to click on register and create their account on Betway, and you will get paid 35 cents, as you can see at here. Above is your offer URL to share. When a person completes the offer, you will earn 0.35 cents. Only share with people from country Brazil. only target device, all devices allowed, and conversion sign up for account. So whenever someone signs up to this account, then you will get paid 35 cents. It is as simple as that. And this is going to be your affiliate link. Okay, please do not copy this link, because this is not your affiliate link, this is the affiliate link. So once you copy this affiliate link, now you need to bring massive amount of traffic to this affiliate link. In order to bring massive amount of traffic to your affiliate link, what you need to do is you need to visit to a site that is called propellerads.com, and you can create your free account on Propeller Ads. So this is a platform which you will be using to bring massive amount of traffic for extremely low amount of money, and these traffics actually convert, and I'm going to show you how you can run ads by using this platform. Just firstly come to propellerads.com and click on sign up, and it will take you like 1 to 2 minutes to sign up to Propeller Ads. And once you log into Propeller Ads, then you will see somewhat this kind of interface. Okay, and you can just click on create campaign, and once you click on create campaign, then there are lots of things that you can do inside, the lots of type of ad that you can run from inside Propeller Ads, but I'm going to show you a specific type of ad that you need to run. So just give your campaign a name, whatever you want to give it, and select one click, pop under, and direct click. So now if you don't know what exactly this is, then let me show you an example. Okay, so this is called a pop under ad, which opens in a full tab ad with maximum visibility, opens in new browser tab. Okay, so now I'll show you an example. So this is a site where people come to watch movie and download movie. Okay, and they actually run pop under ads. Okay, so whenever someone comes here and let's say they want to watch this movie or download this movie, and they will click on this movie, whenever they click on it, so you see here another browser have opened now. Okay, and this is what is called pop under ad. Okay, whenever I made a click on this, then it didn't open this movie, instead it opened a new tab, and this tab is showing me this is an ad. Okay, that this Daraj is running, that is pop under ad. In similar way, you will be also able to bring traffic to your offer. Okay, with the text that is available in this landing page, people will be attracted and they will sign up. As you can see here, epic saving up to 50% off. So if I am something like person who loves shopping, then I would definitely love this and click on shop now and follow the procedure, and someone will make money out of that. Okay, and you can see here there is a code also, 20 ko bachat. In this way pop under game works. So now to run pop under ads, so just give a campaign name, just click on one click pop under and select pop under, and scroll below, and you can just select on CPM. Okay, cost per mile, and then here is the place where you need to place your URL. Okay, so this URL is going to be your affiliate link from CPA lead. So let's go to CPA lead and copy our affiliate link. So now once you copy your affiliate link, just paste it at here, and your affiliate link is ready here. Now one visitor will see your ad for 3 times every 24 hours. So this is fine. Okay, and just deselect this broker traffic, because I don't trust these traffics. I only trust the traffic from Propeller Ads. High quality direct traffic from website of our network. Include anti-ad block, it's fine. So now deselect this high also, deselect this low also. You want medium quality traffic. Okay, high will cost you a little bit more. Now in country, as you can see in the offer, that we need to select Brazil. Okay, only from people from Brazil will be coming to our offer. Now cost per mile means how much you want to pay for 1000 visits. Like let's pay $1 for 1000 visits, and you can see how much traffic you can receive. Similarly, you can increase this. Okay, you can select this recommended like 3.50 for 1000, and you will get this much amount of traffic. So I would suggest you to start with as low as possible. Like for $1 you will receive 1000 people. So that is insanely crazy. Okay, Just for $1, if you receive 1,000 people in your affiliate offer, then you will have good chance of making money, as you know you are getting paid 35 cents for one sign up. Okay, and just for $1 you can get 1,000 people to see that offer. Now you can imagine, if everything went right, then how much money you would be able to make by using this simple strategy. Now let's continue and scroll below. So daily campaign budget you can set anywhere at $30. So here you can see you cannot set minimum than $30, but you can always pause your campaign, okay, if you don't want to spend lots like this $30 in a single day. And total campaign budget you can write $30, or if you want to increase it you can do so. Okay, it's your choice. And for platform, all devices are allowed, so leave it as it is. Okay, leave everything as it is. So no, you do not need to collect this kind of data of retargeting. Just scroll below and just select this. I declare and guarantee that my campaign meets quality guidelines. If you want to read this quality guidelines, it's fine. Highest winning bids are shown here, but our bid is $1. It's fine. If you don't get lots of traffic with $1, then you can increase it to 1.52. okay, or you can also bid $3.50 if you want, if you are getting crazy amount of sales, meaning conversion. Okay, if you are making good amount of money in CPA lead, then you can always increase your bid. And once you did this much, then just click on start campaign, and after a review, which typically takes like half to 1 hour, your ad will start to receive good amount of traffic to your offer that you are promoting. And if everything went right, then you will start to make 35 cents per person whoever submits their email address and create an account on this offer. So it is as simple as this much, guys. So if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch more money making videos, then I have hand-picked special videos, my past special YouTube videos for you, and keep everything in the description of this YouTube video. You can check on those videos and see if that is good fit for you in order to make money on it. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.